Come make a drag cookie for Pride Month with me. I call this the drag cookie, not because it has anything to do with drag that might be related to Pride Month, but because that's the method we're going to use on this cookie. So the first thing you want to do is outline the cookie using the white royal icing. And I like to do an outline that's like 2, 3, sometimes even 4 times around to create a very solid wall for my flood on the inside to not break through the wall essentially. And then I'm going to pipe in that middle section. I'm coloring in, I'm filling in, and you can see I'm not going all the way to the edge of that wall. I'm going to give that wall a little bit of time to set up itself, and I'm not going to put pressure on it by piping a whole bunch of icing against it. Now, there's just a little bit of time in between when I'm going to push that icing to the wall, but that's all the outline needs to be able to set up efficiently. So you're just letting it do that. So I go outside to in, you can go inside to out, it really doesn't matter. And then I add a little bit of icing around that edge just to make sure I have enough icing for this base of my cookie. I'm going to grab my scribe and I do these kind of circle motions to push the icing to the edge and then pull it back in. So I'm never trying to like force it to the edge and leave it there so that there's a little bit too much and it might break through. It's very common to have cookies overflow, which is also why I like to kind of drag it into the middle and then shake it so everything evens out. So unlike some of the other cookies in this Pride set, we're not going to want this to dry. We're immediately going to come in. You can see this cookie is still glossy, and we're going to add lines of our rainbow colors right on top of it. Again, we have 6 colors to add here, so you don't want to start with that red line right in the middle, although that would definitely look cute. Not saying you shouldn't do that. I also rebagged my orange, you can see here, because I didn't like the hole that I cut, so I put some in a smaller bag and I recut the tip of my piping bag. I did the same thing with the yellow. So we're just doing a straight line for each of these, and you can see I'm trying to go directly from one edge to the other. Another thing we could do here is start with the yellow and the green because they're the middle of our colored rainbow. And then you could work out from there if you're concerned that you're not going to space things well enough to kind of keep it in the center of the cookie. But with this drag method, it doesn't have to be center of the cookie. Nothing has to be super precise about this. Probably the most precise thing we're looking to do is just have some straight, clean lines. But even if they aren't that straight, even if they aren't that clean, they're still going to look cute because you're going to come in with your scribe. You're going to drag up. Make sure you're not going too deep into the icing. You don't want to be touching the cookie with your scribe because it'll get stuck. It'll drag on the cookie and it just isn't as smooth, and we're just going up and over. I'm usually someone who likes a very clean scribe and I clean it off, but we're keeping the pattern going with this one. And there you have the drag method cookie. This is 1 cookie out of 4 in the Pride Month cookie set that has a smiley face, the drag cookie, the heart cookie, and a Pride icing transfer cookie. I hope you give these cookies a try, you make them at home, and that you share the results with me because I'd love to see them.